So in this problem, we're given that lines L and M are parallel to each other, and L is perpendicular to N, as shown here. That means this is also 90 degrees because L and M are parallel. So there are two ways we can do it. We can either just answer this question in terms of the variables or use a value for one of the angles. So I'll do it both ways. So let me start with the general way. This angle is Y, and we need to relate Y and X. And X is this angle. And since this is the opposite angles, that is X as well. And this angle here is also X. Why? Because L and M are parallel. So the opposite angles would be equal, as this line P cuts L and M. Now this piece is Y. That's 90 degrees. So we know that X is equal to Y plus 90, which means Y is X minus 90. And that's answer choice B. So that was easy enough. In fact, I think it's easier to do it this way. But you can certainly do it with numbers as well. And so if what we need to do is to select a value for X. And when you select a value for X, pick a value that makes this angle make sense. So for example, X is 130. So this is 130. Then start labeling everything else. So that's 50. I should start that this is 130. So that's 50. And then this angle would be 40. And this angle, which is opposite to that, is also 40. And that's also because that these lines L and M are parallel. So we know that when X is 130, Y is 40, and then you just have to replace these values of X in here. So that would give us 50, that would give us a negative, so that's out. That would give us 130 over 2 is 65, so that's 25, that's also out. And then finally this one, which we know is the correct answer, is 130 minus 90 is indeed 40. So either way, the answer is B.